AI video generation is improving incredibly fast. Can now be completed in a fraction of the time. Today we are testing MiniMax H3 and its new speed improvement, up to 4 times faster generation. How much faster is it in real-world usage? Let's find out. MiniMax H3 is a powerful AI video generation model designed to create realistic videos from text prompts. You can describe a scene, a character, camera movement, and actions, then the AI creates the video automatically. But the biggest challenge with AI video has always been speed. High-quality videos usually require a lot of computing power and waiting time. To speed up MiniMax H3, we need to add 2 optimization nodes into our ComfyUI workflow. The first node is EasyCache. EasyCache is already built into ComfyUI, so you don't need to install anything extra. You can simply open ComfyUI, search for the EasyCache node, and add it directly into your workflow. The second node is called Patch SageAttention. For this node, you need to install the Keyj ComfyUI nodes first. After installing the ComfyUI Keyj node package, restart ComfyUI. Then you will be able to search for and add the Patch SageAttention node into your workflow. Once both nodes are ready, connect them into the MiniMax H3 workflow. Now let's run the test and compare the results. Before optimization, the generation took around 24 minutes. After adding EasyCache and Patch SageAttention, the same MiniMax H3 workflow can complete much faster. Let's check the generation time, compare the output quality, and see how much performance improvement we can get. This one takes about 24 minutes to create a video. After adding the 2 optimization nodes using the exact same settings, the generation time is reduced to about 6 minutes. Let's take a look at another example. The original generation took about 39 minutes, while the optimized workflow only took about 9 minutes. After adding the 2 optimization nodes, we can see a significant improvement in generation speed while keeping the visual quality almost the same. Now, let's add the 2 optimization nodes to our MiniMax H3 workflow. The first one is EasyCache. This node helps reduce the amount of computation during the generation process by reusing certain intermediate calculations. If you haven't installed the ComfyUI Keyj nodes yet, go to Extensions, install it, and then click Apply Changes. Once it is installed, use the Select Keyj node option to find and add the Patch SageAttention Keyj node. After adding both nodes, connect them to the appropriate part of the MiniMax H3 workflow and run it again. However, when we run the workflow, we get an error saying that there is no SageAttention module. This means that the SageAttention package is not installed in our ComfyUI Python environment yet. So, before we can use the Patch SageAttention Keyj node, we need to install the correct SageAttention package. After add these 2 nodes, we still need the SageAttention package for speeding up in ComfyUI. The next step is finding the correct SageAttention package. The easiest way to install SageAttention is by using a wheel file. A wheel file is a pre-built package, which means SageAttention has already been compiled. Before downloading the wheel, we need to check some important information to make sure we choose the correct version for our environment. First, click the bottom panel, then select Terminal. A terminal window will pop up. In the terminal, click About to view the system information, including the Python version, PyTorch version, and CUDA version. This information is important because it determines which SageAttention wheel package is compatible with your environment. After collecting this information, the next step is finding the correct SageAttention package. The easiest way to install SageAttention is by using a wheel file. We come to the SageAttention GitHub page from UOCT0RDHO, which provides pre-built SageAttention wheel files. Now we check the available versions and compare them with our current environment, including our Python version, PyTorch version, and CUDA version. After checking compatibility, we select the wheel file that is the closest match to our setup and download it. Because SageAttention uses Triton for optimized GPU operations, we also need to install a compatible Triton version. We go to the Triton download page, check the available versions, and choose the version that matches our Python environment. Once we have found the correct SageAttention wheel for our environment, go back to the ComfyUI terminal and install it. In my case, the SageAttention wheel is located directly on my D drive. As you can see on the screen, I have the installation command ready. Simply enter the command shown on the screen and press enter. If the installation is successful, you will see a successfully installed message in the terminal, confirming that SageAttention has been installed correctly. Do the same thing with the Triton wheel too. After the installation is completed successfully, we restart ComfyUI. Now SageAttention is ready. After restarting ComfyUI, open the MiniMax H3 Reference-to-Video workflow. Upload your reference image, enter your prompt, configure the settings, and then click Run. After starting the generation, you may be curious about the current progress. You can see a progress bar in the top right corner, but you will quickly notice that it is not always very accurate. For more detailed information, go to the left side menu and toggle the bottom panel. Here you can see a more detailed process status, including the generation progress percentage. With optimization techniques such as EasyCache and SageAttention, MiniMax H3 can achieve up to 4 times faster generation speed compared with the standard workflow. These optimizations reduce unnecessary calculations and improve GPU efficiency, allowing you to create videos much faster without a major impact on visual quality. For local users, especially those running on consumer GPUs, these improvements make a big difference. Instead of spending a long time waiting for each generation, you can test more ideas, refine prompts faster, and produce more creative variations.